In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Calendar on Booking.com. If you're a host or property manager using Booking.com, your calendar lives inside the Booking.com Extranet, which is the management dashboard designed for property owners. This is different from the guest-facing site and app, so make sure you're using the right place. Start on a laptop or desktop for the smoothest experience. Open your web browser and go to admin.booking.com. This is the official Extranet login page. If you don't already have it bookmarked, it's a good idea to save it for quick access in the future. Next, log into your account. Once you're in, you'll land on your Extranet dashboard. If your account manages more than one property, you'll first choose the specific property you want to view. You can usually do this from a property selector at the top of the page. Pick the property whose calendar you need to open. Now look for the main navigation menu. Find the section labeled Rates and Availability. Click that, and from the drop-down or the page that appears, select Calendar. This is the direct route to your booking calendar, and it works the same way across most property types. Your calendar will open showing your dates laid out in a timeline, with each day displaying current availability and nightly prices. You'll see status colors that make it easy to read at a glance. Green means the date is open and available for guests to book, and red indicates the date is closed or not available. Alongside prices, you'll also see room or unit availability and any active restrictions that may apply to those dates. If you don't immediately see rates and availability or calendar, double-check that you've selected the correct property at the top. Interface labels can vary slightly by region or account type, but the path is the same. Rates and availability, then calendar. A few quick tips to keep things simple. Bookmark admin.booking.com so you can jump straight to the extranet next time. Make sure you have the correct access level on your account. Only host or manager profiles can view and manage the calendar. And remember, this calendar is updated in real time based on your settings and current bookings. Finally, if your goal is just to check your personal reservations as a traveler, you won't see a full property calendar here. The Extranet calendar is only available to hosts and managers who manage listings on Booking.com. That's it. Now you know exactly how to open the calendar on Booking.com and what to expect when you get there.